Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to download and run Google Play Store apps right on your laptop or PC. It's super handy if you want to enjoy your favorite apps on a larger screen. Before we begin, I'd like to share something exclusive with you. I've created a free AI tools guide filled with the latest free AI tools that can help you replace expensive software and get more done. To get your copy, sign up for my email list using the link in the description below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, you'll need to head to the link in the description or pinned comment below to get to BlueStacks. This is an Android emulator that lets us run Android apps on a PC or laptop. By using this affiliate link, you'll also be supporting the channel, and it won't cost you anything extra. Once you're on the BlueStacks site, simply click Download BlueStacks and let the download begin. After the download finishes, open your File Explorer and double-click the installer. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Hit Install and let the process run. It might take a minute, so just be patient. When the installation is complete, BlueStacks should automatically launch. If it doesn't, you can easily search for BlueStacks on your computer and open it up. Once you're in, you'll be taken straight to the Google Play Store. If you're on the home screen, just click the Store button to access the Play Store. Now, you'll need to sign in with your Google account, just like on your phone, to access the apps. Once signed in, hit the search bar at the top and type in the app you're looking for. Let's search for Candy Crush, for example. From there, you can click Install and the app will start downloading right onto your PC. Once it's done, hit play and enjoy it on your laptop. If you want to go back to the home screen, simply press the home button in the bottom right corner. Your apps will be available right there, ready to launch anytime. That's it! You're all set to enjoy your favorite Google Play apps on your PC. Don't forget to grab our free AI tools guide from the link in the description. It's packed with game-changing AI tools that can supercharge your creative workflow and replace even more expensive software. Make sure to check out our next video where we dive deeper into the 28 free programs to replace every Adobe program. It's going to take your content creation to the next level. If you found this useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and safety advice.